In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit a Docusign template step by step so you can quickly update your existing templates without starting from scratch each time. Let's start with the basics. A Docusign template is a reusable setup for documents you send frequently, like contracts, onboarding forms, or agreements. Instead of uploading and configuring the same document over and over, you set it up once as a template and then just reuse it. Editing a template lets you update that setup whenever something changes, like wording, pricing, or who needs to sign. First, you'll want to go to your templates section in Docusign. After you sign in, look toward the top of the screen for the Templates tab. Depending on your layout, it might be in the main navigation bar, or you may see it in a menu labeled something like More. Click Templates to open the area where all of your saved templates live. If you have a lot of templates, this is also where you can use search or filters to find what you need. Next, you'll select the template you want to edit. You should see a list of template names, along with details like when they were last modified and who created them. Scroll through the list, or use the search box to type in the name or a keyword from the template title. Once you find it, click directly on the template name, or in some layouts, you might click a small menu icon next to it to open more options. The key is to make sure you're working on the correct template, especially if you have multiple versions with similar names. Taking a moment to double check here can save you from editing the wrong one. After you've selected the right template, look for the edit option. Usually you'll see an edit button near the top of the page or in a drop-down menu related to that template. Click edit to open the template in editing mode. This is where you can adjust the document itself, as well as roles, signing order, and any fields that signers need to complete. Now, you can make your changes. This might mean updating text in the document, changing dates or amounts, or replacing an outdated clause. If you need to adjust who signs, you can edit the roles, such as customer, manager, or HR, and make sure the signing order matches your process. You can also move, add, or delete fields like signature boxes, initials, text fields, checkboxes, or date fields. Take your time here and review each page, especially if this template is used often or for important agreements. A helpful tip is to think through what each signer will see and whether all required information is clearly captured. Once you're happy with the updates, the last step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the top or bottom of the editing screen, and click it. In some cases, you might have the option to save and close. Make sure you don't navigate away or close your browser before saving, or your edits could be lost. After saving, your template is updated and ready to use the next time you send a document based on it. That's all there is to it. Go to Templates, select your template, click Edit, make your changes, and save. With these steps, you can keep your Docusign templates accurate and up to date with very little effort.